got these 2 boxes as my birthday gift. Let's do unboxing.
도망. 그래, 할 수 있지. 근데
3, 2, 1.
Number 25. 3 Pleasures Petite Chocolate Cake Sweet. Pari choice. I'm not so sure how to read it, but this one is a sweet chocolate rich milk. Number 27. I think there are 3 in a pack. So that's gonna be a lot and enough for me. It's a chocolate design company, which is the vanilla beans. Chocolates make you happy. Does it make you happy? It does make me happy. And these make me happy. Thank you, Miss M. Let's unbox the second gift box. the second gift is brought to you by Yamada Hyando. Hey, just kidding. Well, it is an artistic lacquerwares and industrial artworks by appointment to the imperial household. Wow, imperial. So let's check what it is. Here you go. Wow, I love it. It's cherry blossom. Ooh, that's so wonderful. Wow, I feel like being in an imperial palace. Oh, look at that. That's definitely spectacular. I can use this one in my new house. Thank you to Miss M for your kindness and generosity always since I've met you. This means so much to me. I'm gonna take care of this and use this in my new house. Look at that. Isn't it amazing? Thank you for watching.